Hello student, today I explain you the new lesson in economics, the story of village Palampur. In this lesson we learn actually the village fool is not a real story, it is a fictional story. It is only to understand with the help of it is just example. Uh, in the western part of the Uttar Pradesh, such situation is there that can be as a ideal village combination. So village Palampur, it has a near town that is called Raiganj, and that is not very far from the Palampur, and there is nearest one more small town that is Sapur. With the help of road, this village is well connectivity with the road. Even bullock cart, tanga, bogies, wooden cart, they will be used. Even there are some commodities like jaggery, they were also solding in this commodity to nearby in Shahpur. As well as they are using the vehicles like motorcycle, jeep, tractor and trucks. In village Palampur, 450 families were belonging several different castes. 80 upper caste family own majority of land village. There are different houses are there. Even some were living in the bricks and some were that is cemented and plasters, and scheduled castes means they were living in the small kacha house made up of mud and straw. The main we imaginary about this is the main factor is organization of production. Means organization of production is also known as the factor of production. The first factor is land. Land, we know that land is the important factor. It is a natural resources with the help of water and forest minerals. The second requirement for the factor is labor. That is very much important because labor are two types: uh, skilled labor and unskilled labor. The third is physical capital. Physical capital are divided into two parts. One of the physical capital that is called fixed capital. If in fixed capital we can include like tools, machine, buildings, which is used for in the by the farmer for plowing the field, even using for irrigation, generator and turbine, as well as there are so many computer it is used in this. And the second physical capital is working capital. Working capital is actually raw materials, as well as you can see the money in hand. uh, for example, you can see the weavers and clay used for by the potter. So raw materials for and another is money in hand when for buying goods from the market or raw materials, that is very much essential in the for production of labor. And the fourth, that is human capital. Human capital is one of the important factor because without the help of human capital, land, labor and physical capital cannot be utilized. So human capital, it is skilled capital. If there is a picturization figure of the industry where these all four factors are important for production of the things for a market. Now the next topic is the first topic, that is farming in the Palampur, that is land is fixed. We know that in our country 75% of the people were living in the agriculture field. In the same manner here 70% people were working and dependent on the family for the livelihood in the, and somewhere most are were in the farmland. In the 1960, Palampur has expanded the land area for cultivation. That is some of the wasteland like village and forest, they were cut down for the cultivating a land. They increased the farm for under the cultivation. The standard unit of measure in land is hectare. Even some local units were also used in our country. Some like bighas, gunika. These are the equal 1 hectare, equal an areas of square. So this is the bigger land area for measurement 1 hectare. That is 100 into 100 meter square. The next topic is there a way one can grow more from the same land? So Palampur, we observed that it is just a part of a near the Uttar Pradesh, where there are three type of agriculture we had grown in this. One of them is kharif crops, and another is rabi crops that were utilized in the October and December in winter season. So there is so they producing the sown wheat and enough for the family. If they were getting surplus wheat, they can sell in the market at Raniganj. Land area are also devoted with sugarcane. Sugarcane, a raw materials as known as jaggery, which is sold in the trade Shahpur. Electricity is in this village is very well occupied. Electrified tube well irrigation are very efficient. Till 1970, 200 hectares the tube well were used for irrigation. And so this is one of the ideal for for growing crop. Well, we can continue in the next class. Thank you.